The all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder here with wireless Apple CarPlay. I'm Joe Braun here at Jones Beller Nissan, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Let's go. Okay, the first step, you go into your settings on your iPhone, and then go into Bluetooth. Then you go over on the touchscreen, hit Connections, and then hit Add New. In a few seconds, it'll pop up, and then you hit Select My Pathfinder, hit Pair, and allow contacts to sync. After a few seconds, it will ask you if you want to use Apple CarPlay. You hit Use CarPlay, and you hit Yes to allow it on the screen. After it processes everything, voila! You can use Apple CarPlay just like you would when you're plugged in, except now you can use the wireless charging down here in your Platinum trim level, completely wireless. Now, when you get back out of the car, and start it back up, it'll pop right back up, and you don't have to reconnect anything.